And what's very interesting, I think all of you who live in Bangsar realize this. 2018, 2013, sebulan sebelum Parlimen bubar, a month before Parliament was dissolved, not election day, a month before Parliament was dissolved, everywhere you go, you will see the blue flag. You will see the blue flag. Now, it's nomination day. Yelek! Tak ada. Something is happening. Something is happening. And I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, I have been getting very interesting phone calls. People who used to want to stay away from us have called saying, YB, can I meet with you? YB, can I meet with Nurul Izzah? YB, can I meet with Anwar Ibrahim?
Jangan.
Bukan, tunggu dulu. Bukan komplot itu macam, bukan. Yeah, I think there were those who used to be very supportive of these people. Perhaps they used to pay for the flags or whatever it is. I guess they're not paying for the flags now. You know why? Kenapa saya cakap macam ni? Ini perkara yang sangat menarik. Jadi sebenarnya yang berlaku beberapa hari lalu is what I would like to call sesi Pancung Berjemaah. Sesi Pancung Berjemaah. Ya, sebab kalau kita kira, if we look through the list, poster boy ada, fan boys semua sudah kena pancung. Maksudnya kalau poster boy tu jadi Perdana Menteri, na'udzubillah, we hope not. Tapi kalaulah dia betul-betul jadi Perdana Menteri pun, everybody who was part of his team, everyone who was supportive of him, all sudah kena pancung. Jadi maksudnya there are two tigers on that mountain. Kalau pada 19 November nasional ni menang, there is no stability. It will remain the same. You will have a lame duck prime minister. A lame duck prime minister who cannot decide anything. He couldn't even decide to continue with the budget. You know what he told Anwar Ibrahim? He said, I would like to see perhaps next year election. Masa tu. Tapi apakan daya, that party, poster boy lain, presiden lain. It's not the same person. That's why Pakatan Harapan is far more stable, because poster boy pun sama, presiden pun sama. You get what you vote for. Kalau tuan-tuan puan-puan undi Pakatan Harapan, yang akan jadi insya-Allah Perdana Menteri tak lain tak bukan Fahmi Fadzil mana hanayu, bukan Fahmi Fadzil, tapi Anwar Ibrahim. Saya nak cerita something.